10 animals that can live after death. Welcome back to our channel, Nature Enthusiasts. Today, we have an extraordinary and mind-blowing topic for you. Get ready to be amazed as we explore the world of animals that can seemingly live after death. Yes, you heard that right. Nature is full of surprises, and these incredible creatures have developed unique adaptations that allow them to defy conventional notions of life and death. So, without further ado, let's dive right into our list of 10 animals that can live after death. Our first contender on this mysterious list is none other than the humble tardigrade, also known as the water bear. Tardigrades are tiny, 8-legged micro-animals that can survive in extreme conditions. When faced with harsh environments like extreme temperatures or even the vacuum of space, these tiny creatures can enter a state known as cryptobiosis. In this state, they almost completely dehydrate and slow down their metabolism to an undetectable level, making them appear lifeless. However, once the conditions become favorable again, they rehydrate and continue their life as if nothing happened. The incredible resilience and unique adaptations of tardigrades have sparked interest among researchers, with ongoing studies aimed at understanding how they survive such extreme conditions and what lessons can be learned from them for applications in various fields, including space exploration and medicine. Next up, we have the extraordinary immortal jellyfish, scientifically known as Turritopsis dohrnii. This jellyfish has the ability to revert to an earlier stage of its life cycle after reaching maturity. When it faces threats or environmental stress, it can transform back into a polyp, its earliest life stage. Through this process of transdifferentiating, it essentially resets its life clock, allowing it to live indefinitely and potentially become biologically immortal. The immortal jellyfish is native to the waters of the western Pacific Ocean but has been introduced to various other regions around the world, likely through ballast water exchange and other human-mediated activities. Immortal jellyfish, like other jellyfish species, play important roles in marine ecosystems. They are predators, feeding on plankton and small aquatic organisms, and are also prey for various marine animals, including some fish and sea turtles. Now, let's talk about the regenerating starfish. Sea stars, commonly known as starfish, have the remarkable ability to regenerate lost limbs. When attacked or damaged, these incredible creatures can shed their arms and regrow them over time. But here's the mind-blowing part. Not only can they regenerate limbs, but some species can also regenerate an entirely new individual from a single severed arm. Starfish are found in oceans all over the world, from tropical waters to polar regions. They can live in a range of habitats, including rocky shores, coral reefs, and sandy or muddy seabeds. To protect themselves from predators, some starfish species can expel their stomach and digestive enzymes as a defense mechanism. They can also shed arms when under attack, distracting the predator while the starfish escapes. Moving on to the fascinating world of insects, we encounter the death-feigning beetle. When threatened by predators, this crafty beetle goes into a state of thanatosis, commonly known as playing dead. It will remain motionless, drawing the attention of potential predators away. But here's the real kicker. It can maintain this act for an astonishingly long time, sometimes for hours, until the danger has passed. Beetles have a hard exoskeleton made of a substance called chitin. This protective outer layer provides support and defense against predators and environmental hazards. Beetles exhibit a wide range of dietary preferences. While some are herbivores and feed on plants, others are carnivores and prey on other insects. Some beetles are scavengers, while some are omnivores, consuming both plant and animal matter. Now, let's venture into the underwater realm to explore the mudskipper, an extraordinary fish that seems to cheat death regularly. Mudskippers are amphibious fish that can breathe air through their skin and the lining of their mouth. When the tide recedes, leaving them stranded in small pools of water, they don't panic. Instead, they'll wiggle around in the mud and even bury themselves to survive until the tide returns. Mudskippers are known to be territorial and may engage in displays to defend their territories against other mudskippers. These quirky little fish have evolved some incredible adaptations that enable them to thrive in both aquatic and terrestrial habitats, making them a fascinating subject of study for biologists and naturalists alike. Now, let's delve into the world of birds and meet the enigmatic wandering albatross. These magnificent seabirds have been known to spend months or even years at sea without touching land. They are incredibly skilled at gliding on ocean winds, allowing them to travel great distances. And not only are they master navigators, but they also possess a unique adaptation that allows them to sleep while flying, ensuring they never rest until they reach their destination. Albatrosses are known for their strong monogamous bonds. They typically form long-term pair bonds, and some species mate for life. These pairs often engage in elaborate courtship rituals to reinforce their bond. The albatross's majestic appearance and impressive abilities have captivated human imagination for centuries, and they continue to be a subject of scientific study and conservation efforts to ensure their survival in the face of various threats. The next creature on our list is the ghost crab, a master of camouflage and escape. Ghost crabs have an astounding ability to burrow into the sand with incredible speed. But what's even more astonishing is their lateral escape dance, where they appear to move sideways at an incredible pace, making it seem like they can disappear into thin air. This skill is not only useful for escaping predators but also for catching prey. Ghost crabs are incredibly agile and fast runners. They can reach speeds of up to 10 miles per hour on land, which helps them evade predators and capture prey efficiently. They have well-developed eyes positioned on stalks that can rotate, providing them with excellent vision. This allows them to detect movement and potential threats even in low light conditions, ensuring their survival. Moving on to the reptile realm, we meet the awe-inspiring alligator snapping turtle. These ancient creatures have a unique adaptation that allows them to lure prey while staying still for extended periods. By using their worm-like tongue to attract fish, they can snap their powerful jaws shut in the blink of an eye, securing a meal and living up to their name as formidable ambush predators. Due to their strong bite and defensive nature, snapping turtles are best observed from a safe distance in the wild and should not be handled unless necessary and by experienced individuals. When approached on land, they may hiss and lunge as a warning to stay away, and in water, they can quickly disappear beneath the surface to avoid potential threats. Last but certainly not least, let's dive into the intriguing world of ants. When it comes to survival, the army ant takes the cake. These ants are known for their nomadic lifestyle, continuously searching for food and new nesting grounds. But what's truly astonishing is their ability to form living rafts when they encounter floods or water obstacles. By linking together, they create a floating structure that keeps the queen and her offspring safe until they find dry land again. Ants live in colonies consisting of different castes with specific roles. The castes typically include a queen, male ants, and female worker ants. The queen's primary role is to lay eggs, while the worker ants take care of various tasks, such as foraging, nest building, and caring for the young. Worker ants typically have a relatively short lifespan, often living for a few months to a year. However, queen ants can live for several years or even decades, depending on the species. And there you have it, folks, 10 animals that can seemingly live after death, showcasing the incredible resilience and adaptations that Mother Nature has endowed upon them. From the tiny tardigrades to the majestic albatross, these creatures demonstrate that life and death are not always as straightforward as we once thought. It's a reminder that the natural world is full of wonders and mysteries yet to be discovered. Which of these animals fascinated you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more mind-blowing content. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.